Today we're making easy air fryer donut holes coated in cinnamon sugar. They're crispy on the outside and soft in the middle, and they're so simple to prepare and ready in under 15 minutes. They are dangerously addictive. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now, I love looking for those hacks to make a sweet treat that doesn't involve hours of baking. And these air fryer donut holes totally hit the spot. So let's get cooking. Place 120 ml or half a cup of full fat Greek yogurt into a bowl. And to that we're going to add 120 grams or 1 cup of plain all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it all together until the ingredients are combined. Now spray the air fryer basket with a little oil to prevent the donut holes from sticking. And we're going to divide the mixture into balls. We want to make 12 donut holes altogether, so divide the mixture into half, then into half again, and then into thirds. We're going to roll each piece into a ball and place it into the air fryer basket. Once you've made up all of the donut holes, place the air fryer basket into the air fryer. So they go in at 180°C or 350°F for about 8 to 9 minutes until those donut holes are very lightly golden brown. And you'll want to give the air fryer basket a shake halfway through cooking. And now let's get on with the coating. So I've got 60 grams or 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. I've also got 75 grams or 1/3 of a cup of caster sugar. And to the sugar I'm going to add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon and stir it all together until thoroughly combined. Now those donut holes are cooked, we're going to take one of the donut holes, drop it into the butter and roll it around to coat. Then transfer to the bowl with the cinnamon sugar and roll it around until fully coated. Transfer the donut hole to a serving plate and repeat with the rest of the donut holes. That lovely fragrant cinnamon sugar sticks beautifully to the donut holes with that melted butter. And there you go, super simple 6 ingredient air fryer donut holes. I could eat this whole batch to myself. See you next time.